Hey everybody, welcome back. It's me, Stephanie. I'm so excited to show you what we have been up to in the basement of this house. So there's a long story about this house, what it looked like when we moved in, how much work it has taken to get it to this point. But I do want to get to showing you kind of the transformation of this basement pretty quickly because it has been an undertaking. Also, I'm 8 months pregnant, so during all of the clips that you're going to see, remember as I'm painting baseboards on my hands and knees, I'm pregnant, like 6 months pregnant, and so it's just been so much work. It's just my husband and I who have literally zero experience in the DIY, remodeling, like fixing up things kind of department. Plus we are on a debt snowball. So we are actively trying to get out of debt. We're almost down to just having our student loans left. And so we have been doing this on literally like a shoestring budget, like me literally saving little bits of my grocery money every single week to be able to buy a few things here and there. Without further ado, let me show you the transformation of the basement into our master bedroom. Wanted to move closer to my husband's work, but there were no houses that interested us except for this one, and it was 2 blocks from his job. So obviously we put in an offer and we sold our little tiny house, and we were ready to move into the house that we had only looked at once. Yes, once. We kind of forgot about the green and pink carpet, to be honest, but we used the basement for dance parties and as a toy room, and we really tried to make it functional, but it was just, you know, good for dance parties and the occasional music video that I recorded. Hee hee hee. Finally, a year later, we decided to put carpet in and really fix up the basement, so we picked out some paint and got to work. Hello! I'm down in the basement in one of my cat nightgowns, because you know I have more than one. I just finished taping off the baseboards in the basement. So we painted the basement. We are getting carpet installed in 2-3 days. And so to save money, we decided to just keep the baseboards that we already have. They're ripping out this beautiful laminate floor, and then we're going to paint these baseboards white. So I'm to the fun part, the paint part. I think taping and prepping for paint is always the hardest and most annoying part. First coat is pretty much done, especially on all the baseboards. I painted one drawer white to see if it made a difference. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna go buy a paint roller so I can tackle this little area down here. I'm out of paint rollers. I am covered in paint because I am the world's messiest painter. My hands are covered, and now I have the decision to make. Do I go out in public like this? Let go of any pride that I have? Or do I like get dressed? So I made the dumbest mistake of painting. What was I thinking? Why? Why did I do that? Luckily I have some like metallic spray paint that's like a brushed nickel color. I'm gonna go grab that and see if I can save my poor knobs. Let's see if there's any life in this. Oh no, abort. Well, oh gosh. Shoot. This is bad. Okay, maybe let things dry. I think it would be okay. Let's see what it looks like on this side. shoot, I totally missed. Oh no! Oh my gosh, what am I doing? This is bad. Oh my gosh. Somebody stop me. Bad. Oh my gosh. I'm just like ruining. Oh, I'm so glad that I do not have carpet. Oh, this is bad. Okay, well, we're just gonna leave that and walk away. Maybe have to bring out the sander. I think this is probably better. Oh my gosh. My judgment sometimes. We tried. It looks so much better. Like I could cry. So I wasn't gonna worry about the windows, but look at this compared to that. I literally feel like if I never touched a paintbrush again, my life would be just fine. I think I'm going to give a tutorial on how to make a project escalate really quickly. You start out by painting your brown faux wood baseboards. Which is turned into painting all of the windows. There's 5. Yeah, there's 5 like that. And I was like, hey, why don't we just paint all of the cabinets that are downstairs? Which, by the way, why did they install this kitchenette? Who did that? Which turned into, well, I may as well paint all the doors and all the trim and all the drawers. It's gonna be
Here it is. So the color of paint is toasty gray. That's a Benjamin Moore color. All of the furniture we already had. I bought a Nate Berkus duvet cover from Target, and I just thought that it really lightened up the space. And then we already had these cube shelves. I don't know where I got them, at a thrift store, but we're just kind of using everything that we already have as much as possible. I did recover those 2 pillows with the ticking stripe fabric. We did have to get some white curtain panels, and we just grabbed those at Shopko with some Christmas money that we were given. But everything else in this room are things that we already had. So I already had this floral, the white container for it. This is just a picture from our engagement photo shoot. I love it. I did buy 2 shower curtains from the Target clearance section, and I turned it into this nice throw blanket. I love how it turned out. This little corner over here is just a bunch of stuff that we've already had. The cube shelf is from Walmart, from their Better Homes and Gardens collection. I love that collection at Walmart. But our kids spend a lot of time in here, and it gives me a chance to like shower, get ready, and they can kind of do their own thing. So that's why we keep toys in here. And then I love decorating with pictures of our family and things that are sentimental. So just lots of wedding photos right here. And then since we do have a baby coming very soon, this is a little nursery area. That is an ugly pink velvet rocking chair covered with a white sheet. And then of course the kitchenette, can't get rid of that. But this room has come so far. We just love this as our bedroom. Remember, it used to be a studio apartment, and then we used it as a family room, and then it just kind of morphed into a master bedroom. That didn't even happen on purpose. It just kind of happened after we got the room tied together, and we thought, hey, this is going to be a really nice master bedroom. So we are loving it. It just feels so bright and fresh and clean, and it is perfect. We love how it turned out. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll subscribe, because we have tons more updates and reveals coming soon, and I hope you enjoyed today's video.